everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. Today I thought I would do something different and dive into a My Favorite Things card kit called Celebrate You card kit. That is like My Favorite Things. They are a good company that have a lot of high quality products. But first let's take a look and see what we get in the card kit. You get quite a bit of cardstock. This is Eiffel Tower, a Tropical Teal, Summer Splash, Jalapeno Popper, Prickly Pear, Butterscotch, and Marina Cherry. It's a pretty color, kind of looks like Schoolhouse Red. Fire Coral. You get 2 whites and then 2 craft card stock sheets. You get a summary sheet of what comes in the card kit. You get a full paper pad of Party Time. Let me get that open. Sorry, I should have done that before I started. Which is a bunch of really bright and colorful party themed pattern papers, like the candles and all of the rainbow colors. Very cute. Go back at the beginning. So you get 2 of each of those in the full pad. You get a clear stamp set called Celebrate You. You get the dies for Celebrate You. You also get an It's Your Day stamp set and the dies for that. So that makes a cute little party hat. And then of course they list out a bunch of ideas for you to kind of get you started. And so let's see what we can make using this card kit. We can always use more birthday cards in our stashes. So here we go. Alright, so here are the 6 cards we were able to create using this card kit. Starting off very simply with card number 1. I just basically stamped out the party hat and the sentiment just using inks, and took some of the pattern paper from the kit and just made a little like a border, I guess, for that happy birthday to rest on. And then I took, the only real dimension I have on this card is some confetti that I pulled out using this happy birthday die. This is from My Favorite Things, and this is the Happy Birthday Party. It's got a little bit of confetti there. There's also some confetti in the stamp set included in the kit, but that just kind of gave it a little bit of, dimension, not much. This would be a really easy card to mail if you needed to. I also took some Nuvo glitter drops in Gold Coast and put those on top of my flame. So that just gives that a little bit of sparkle and shine. And you can see card number 1 is complete. It's a fairly easy card. I like to start simple, kind of get the juices flowing. While I was enjoying my stamping, I decided to go ahead and stamp out the gifts, and that is from, of course, the second stamp set that we got in the kit. That is called Celebrate You. I took, I have some Catherine Pooler inks. These are in the Spa collection. I thought they went really nicely with the pattern paper, that kind of subtle stripe. It was a little bit more of a subtle color rather than these kind of bolder colors, which I kind of struggled with a little bit, but I thought that the muted colors worked really well. Again, I used a sentiment from the stamp set from the kit. This is from the It's Your Day. And you see it's got these really pretty, like, little scripty sentiments in it. And then, of course, I took the packages from the Celebrate You, these kind of guys, and just stamped them. It was kind of just fun just to stamp. I don't do that very often. I took some Love from Lizzie peel-offs, you can see, and put them on my borders. And then I added some gemstones or some confetti. This is, I think, called Moonstone or Moon something from Simon Says Stamp, maybe Moon Dust, I don't remember. But those are just kind of scattered along side of the card and just kind of give it a little bit of shine. So there is card number 2. For card number 3, I was trying to get my dimension stride on, so I decided to, I like the colors from the Catherine Puller inks, and I really like this pattern paper. I thought these little strings, these little lines on the pattern paper look like balloon strings. So I went through and I stamped the balloons in the Catherine Puller inks, again in the Spa collection. And then I also took the banner and stamped them in the Spa collection as well, and die cut those out and used some jute cord to make the banner itself. And then of course I mounted those on some fun foam, so these have got a little bit of dimension to them, and just stamped the happy from the Celebrate You stamp set, and there you have card number 3. So these are all in accordance. I mounted that panel on top of one of the gray cardstock pieces that we got in the kit. So here I go. I'm going to try to now start incorporating this color scheme that we got. This is kind of an unusual color scheme for me. I really do like the colors. They're not colors that I would natively like put together, so I thought they were just really kind of interesting, and I just wanted to figure out ways to kind of use them, and also use some other birthday stamps that I have in my stash that I haven't been using or haven't used in a while. So this is again that happy birthday party die set, and it cuts out a really cute happy birthday, and then of course it's got some things to adorn it with. So I've got like a party hat and a little banner, and I just took some pattern paper from the kit, and then the cardstock pieces that coordinate with the pattern paper colors perfectly, and just use those to create the happy birthday, which I think kind of turned out really cute. I really like that card, and I really like that it's a kind of a different card or color combo than I would normally use. For the next card, I used my Mama Elephant snail mail border. I really like this border. Usually I'll get 2 cards out of it because I'll take the reverse and make one, and then I'll reverse the papers and I'll have a second card. So again, I used that happy birthday party die, and just since I had so many of these pieces cut out in the cardstock colors, I just created another one using the same die, just using 2 different pattern papers from the card kit. And there you have card number 5. So that one's kind of easy as well, and you can tell again on all my flames I used that glitter, the Nuvo glitter drops in the Gold Coast, kind of giving it just a little bit of sparkle and shine, a little golden shine. For my last card, I used a stamp set that I have called Make a Wish from MFT. I really like candles, and I thought that they would go nicely with that candled pattern paper. For these, I took each of the candles and I stamped them out using my Distress Oxide inks. This is Candied Apple, Picked Raspberry, Mermaid Lagoon, Speckled Egg, and then the last one is Peeled Paint. And I just took some of the Spiced Marmalade and stamped out the little heart, so you've got like on top of the yellow cardstock that we got in the kit, so it looks like a little bit of a flame. And again, used my Gold Coast glitter drops to give just a little bit of sparkle there. These are, of course, this middle panel is mounted on some fun foam, and so are the little hearts and candles, so those have a little bit of dimension as well. And there you have card number 6. So this is the 6 cards that I created using the My Favorite Things Celebrate You card kit, which I really enjoyed. I thought it was kind of fun to play with these different color palettes that I wouldn't normally gravitate towards. And just enjoyed, everybody can always use birthday cards, so it was nice to be able to get some knocked out. So I hope that you enjoyed the 6 cards I created. I really appreciate y'all stopping by and watching my channel and supporting me. Thank you so much for taking time with me today. And I hope that you all are having a wonderful day, and we'll chat with you later. Thanks so much.